Hey there, it's your heart chakra reading for the week from the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. Thanks for being here. This chakra is dealing with the heart space. It doesn't necessarily have to be about romance and intimate connections, but love in all of its forms can emerge through here. Our center card is actually for the heart chakra itself, and then this one's from the Dolphin matrix chakra in the earth, and this is from the spirit chakra above us. So these are coming in to assist and help this energy ascend and evolve. I mean, right off of the kind of the cuff here, I'm getting a very strong nod to the divine feminine, which I got earlier in this week a few times. So, and you know what? We are entering Libra season 2, so this makes perfect sense that we would be sort of revisiting the divine mother, the goddess energy here, and giving it its rightful placement. So that's exactly what I'm getting off that center card, is that there is feeling again like there's a connection to goddess energy, and maybe a downplay on this concept of the god, you know, like there's definitely a feminization of the what is divine, what we feel to be divine, and what could be watching over us and wanting to communicate with us. And that it's available there like a mother, like it wants to speak with us, it wants to counsel us, it wants to cherish us and nurture us as her children. Very loving, very, very guiding energy. Also very Empress energy here, if you deal with the tarot. So, in looking at what's been in here to assist this, I am seeing this energy of the feminine sort of feeling ignored and dismissed and not valued for the wisdom that she has, maybe demoted a little bit and not actually recognized for her I don't want to say like her age, but you know, like she's being downplayed as if she's not evolved enough to be accountable for, or to have something worthy to contribute. And you know, here she is in all of her divine majesty and purity and innocence, and just, I mean, the most absolutely like gorgeous energy that you could possibly show up in. And it's just, you know, put aside. So I feel like there's, you know, this confirmation here that's saying yes, you know, even though this is always here, ever present, ever loving. Like, if we choose to ignore it, then we choose to ignore it. And let's see here what else we get in here. And it may be because we've been sort of bamboozled by things coming through a male perspective that's all like, look at what I can do, almost like magic and, you know, illusion and just distraction, and really blocking our vision and our sight and our own connection with ourself, and how that could connect with this more divine feminine presence. And you know, there's been a lot of energy put towards that, and a lot of outwardness, a lot of, you know, focus of this is what's important, and not so much emphasis on reflection. And this could also be just an acknowledgement of like, this energy is about reflection more. It's about going inwards. We're seeing it here as well. So please take time if you can, and you know, if you have time to just sit even now and think about this energy and open to it and see if it wants to come through, if you can connect with it, because this is I mean, it's like if you dismiss this, like you're cut off from a rich inner reality that has so much to give to you. And I just hope that if we're working at this collectively, that we can begin to reconnect and resolve some of this loss of acknowledgement of this energy. So thank you for joining me today. Tomorrow, if you'd like to tune back in, we will be doing the throat chakra, so things dealing with communication. All right, you guys, take care.